Hey folks, what's up? So we're here with one of our Bunununus customers, right? But we don't want to put her on camera. But there's something that we need to show you, right? A joke. She have to say something.
Yeah, no package so.
make sure talk. But more you come here, camera lady. Check out the jeans here. But don't come back for me. Don't show your face, don't come back for me. What you want to say? What you want to tell the people them say?
I just love that when I pay for it the day before, I get it the day after, and it's quick and fast, and they always come through for me.
You see that, guys? You see me do this and I take the compliment. Thank you so much for that
You're
compliment.
welcome.
And I want to compliment you on being with the finest shipping company. And I want to compliment you on that bad jeans I have on. Show the people my jeans again.
I'm not even gonna slip on.
She not gonna slip on, but you saw her two of them does. When you saw her two of them, what do people them say? What do young people them say? Did?
It did.
You saw her two dids. And she in her yard and she have on her ankle, what you call it, ankle bracelet.
Uncle it.
You saw our customer them turn up. Alright guys, remember there's a link somewhere here. Either up on the screen or below. Click on it. Join us today so you can get some nice shipping and we can come and show you pretty jeans.
Yeah.
Bye. Tell them bye for me.
Bye.
Alright, bye bye.